Okay, in this video, I'll show you how PLU groups can help when updating prices from a purchase order. When an item is part of a PLU group, you will see a P indicator next to the retail price inside the purchase order. This means the item is connected to a group of similar items. For example, if one Coke 20 ounces item is part of a PLU group, the other Coke 20 ounces items may also be in the same group. If the cost of one item increases, you may need to update the retail price for the whole group instead of updating each item one by one. To do this, open the purchase order and go to the edit section. Once the edit screen purchase order opens up, update the retail price for the item. After changing the retail, click the P indicator next to the retail price. A PLU group window will open, showing the other items in the same group. At the top, you'll see an option such as Update All Retail with the new retail amount. Click Update All Retail to apply the new retail price to all the items in that PLU group. You may also see an option to update both the retail and cost together, depending on what needs to be changed. Once you're done, commit the purchase order. After committing, you can go back to the PLU group and confirm that the updated retail price has been applied to the items in that group. This really saves you time because you don't have to go back and forth between the purchase order and the PLU group manually. And that's how you can update it directly from the purchase order.